This is the train station. We're leaving for Agra from Taj Mahal. It's about 6 a.m. in India, Thursday morning. This is an Indian train station. Very dirty, very ugly. Trains are old.
Ambala Junction, Panipat is arriving on platform number 7. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, उत्कल संपर्क क्रांति एक्सप्रेस अंबाला जंक्शन पानीपत के रास्ते उधमपुर से आने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 7 पर आ रही है। May I have your attention please? 2, 4, 6
Number 1, number 15. Forward 49.